What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video I will be installing the subwoofer. I finally got the subwoofer and now we're going to install it. If you guys are wondering what happened to the other subwoofer, I got rid of it. It was just an 8-inch subwoofer, nothing crazy, but this one's a 12-inch. I'm going to put it in a box instead of putting it up on the rear deck because the rear deck didn't sound good. So let's see how this one sounds. Alright, so I got the Scar Audio IX12D4 with the Scar Audio box. It's a 12-inch box. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So what you're going to need is some speaker wire, because this actually already comes with some wire. So what we're going to do, we're going to run the speaker wire from positive to positive and negative to negative. So it's just going to be like, we're going to kind of lay it around here. And then we're going to plug in the wire that was in there into here. So we're going to combine this wire and the speaker wire that it came with. Let's do that. Once you do that, you're gonna want to go ahead and screw in the the subwoofer. I used drywall screws. I had to buy them from Home Depot. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead, and what I did, I actually doubled up on the wiring. So I put two 16 gauge wires together, positive and negative, routed them all the way back to the amp, and twisted them together, positive and negative, positive and negative. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. And then you just gotta tune your subwoofer the way you like it, and you should be all set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one, guys.
Go. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Never met a real nigga rock star. This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.